So I'm sitting here trying to figure out this GMC Sierra or whatever the heck it is car that the insurance company rented me. It's got more bells and whistles and cameras and screens, and trying to figure out how to set the cruise control and the volume on the radio. It's on the backside of the steering wheel. It's taken me a while to get used to this thing. It's pretty smooth. It's only got the 6-cylinder, I think. And they're saying it's going to take about 3 weeks to get my truck fixed. I didn't think it was hurt that bad, but they're going to have to straighten out the cab and order parts. Parts are taking a while. So, anyway, we'll see how the dogs like the new truck. I miss my truck already. I'm used to it. My truck's only got 68,000 miles on it. This is a new truck and it's got 28,000. My truck's a 2019. I like my truck. My truck's a Ram 1500 4x4. This is a 2-wheel drive. It handles different. Anyway, we'll update you as to how things are going, and this thing's got a lot of room. You guys take care.